Good morning student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to start your chapter number 6, numbers from 21 to 50. In this chapter, first I will tell you about the spelling from 21 to 50. Student, I have told you in your previous chapter the spelling from 1 to 10. I hope all the student knows the spelling from 1 to 10. Today I am starting to tell the number from 21 spelling from 21 to 50. First, all of you know the spelling of 20. Student, you have learned in the previous chapter the spelling of 20. What is the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y. 20. Student, what is the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y. 20. Student, before telling the spelling of 21, I want to tell you something. I want to tell you their position or the place at which these numbers are. If it is a single digit number, suppose it is a 2, a single digit number, then the place is in ones place. It is in ones place. For ones we are writing O. It is in ones place. If it is a 2-digit number, the number on the right side, it is on the ones place and the numbers next to it is in the tens place. We are denoting tens with P. So, if it is a 2-digit number, then the number which is on the right side, it is on the ones place and the next number is on the tens place. You can write this as 2 tens because 2 is in which place? Tens place, and 1 is in ones place, or this way. So this tells us the position at which the number is. 2 is in the tens place, so 2 tens. 1 is in the ones place, so we have written only 1. So if you know this position, you will easily write the number name. Now next I am telling how we will write the number name. So first one is 21. So 21. What comes from your mouth first? 21. So first we will write the spelling of 20, then 1. So if you know the spelling of 20, you can easily write the spelling of 21. You already know the spelling from 1 to 10. So now you have to learn the spelling of 20, then you can write the spelling of 21. First you have to write 20, then 1. Next, if you have taken 22, so 20 plus 2. So first you have to write the spelling of 20, then 2. It is 22. Likewise, you can write up to 29. So 29. How will you write 20 plus 9? So what is the spelling of 20? It is 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, then 9. It is 29. So student, if you know the spelling of 20, you can easily write the spelling up to 29. So student, after 29, which number is coming? Can you tell me after 29, which number is coming? After 29, which number is coming, student? After 29, it is coming 30. So what is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. So what is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Again, if we have to write the spelling of 31, student, so what comes from our mouth first? 31. First it comes 30, then we will write the spelling of 1. It is 31. Next, similarly we can write 32. So which spelling we will write first? We will write 30, then 2. Student, before writing the spelling, first read this number. then write the spelling, then you will write correctly. First, if you read this number, it is 32. So you have to write the spelling of 30 first and then 2. Next, up to 39, you can write it similarly. 39. So how will you write 39? It is 30. So student, after 39, which number is coming? After 39, which number is coming? All of you know the counting now. So after 39, which number is coming? 40. So what is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Student, what is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. F-O-R-T-Y. So likewise, how will you can write the spelling of 41? 40 plus 1. So which spelling is coming first from our mouth? 40, then 1. 41. Similarly, 42. First you identify the number, tell the number from your mouth, then write the spelling. Next is 42. Similarly, you can write up to 49. 49. So if you are knowing the spelling of 40, you can write up to 49. Student, after 49, which number is coming? Yes, after 49 it is 50. So what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Student, what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Student, let us recall all the spelling once again. 2020. The spelling of 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Student, what is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Next is 30. What is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Next is 40. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Next 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Student, learn this spelling thoroughly so you can write the spelling your number name from 21 to 50. Next, let us tell. Now you will tell. First, read this number. Identify the number. Which number is this? 23. Which number is this? 23. So which spelling comes from our mouth first? 20, then 3. So we will write the spelling of 20 first, then 3. Next I have taken, which number is this? Identify the number first. It is, how you read this number? 25. So which spelling we will write first? 20, then the spelling of 5. 25. Next, if I have taken one more number, which number is this? First we will tell the number 32. So what comes from our mouth first? 30, then 2. Next, if I have taken another number, can you tell me which number is this, student? 36. So 36. It is 36. Next, I have taken, which number is this? 42. How you read this number? 42. So first we will write 40, then 2. Which number is this, student, which I have written in the blackboard? It is 49. So first we will write the spelling of 40, then 9. After 49, which number is this, student? 50. The spelling of 50 is F-I-F-T-Y, 50. So student, for writing the number name from 21 to 50, you should know the spelling from 1 to 10, which you have learned in your previous classes. I hope all of you know the spelling from 1 to 10. Now basically you have to learn the spelling of 20, 30, 40 and 50. Then you can write the spelling or number name from 21 to 50. Today I have told you the spelling of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. What is the spelling of 20, student? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. What is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. What is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. So student, learn this spelling of 20, 30, 40, 50. Then write the spelling from 21 to 50 in your max copy. I hope all of you have understood the spelling of 20, 30, 40, 50. You previously know the spelling from 1 to 10. So you can write the spelling or number name from 20 to 50. All of you learn this spelling and write the spelling from 21 to 50 at least one time in your max copy. I hope student you all have understood what I have told you, the spelling of 20, 30, 40 and 50. Learn this spelling and write in your max copy the spelling from 21 to 50. Thank you.